Hi, if you are looking for learning business intelligence, then welcome to Power BI Desktop course. In this course, you will lead business intelligence analyst for a business case to design and deliver a professional business solution from scratch. I'll be with you, guiding you and share a clear explanation and helpful tips. We will start our workflow from connecting and shaping our source data with Power Query editing tools, then exploring normalization and filter context, then building a full data model. After that, we will create table relationship to finish line by designing a dynamic interactive reports using data visualization tools. If you are ready for this hands-on project, then sign up today and get a lifetime access for a high quality video contents. Let's get started.